Hey, what's up YouTube? How you said the title, you know why you're here. Let's go over my magnet fishing kit. I consider myself still a beginner. I've only been at it maybe like 6 months, but this is the kit that I've put together. That's I keep it in an ammo can, stacks nicely in my vans. I've almost always got it with me, and I put the chain on it because it's magnetic, and I knock it in the water, I can get it out. So we'll go ahead and dive into it here. First thing I'll pull out is I got the Magnet Boss 360, which I think it's sold out right now, but I'll put a link to the description if I can find it. But at this here 65 feet of rope all came in a kit, and that's what I use for my actual magnet fishing. Just grabbing onto the chain there. Moving on, I've got a grappling hook. Somebody said to buy this, so I did. I have used it once. I actually did knock a tripod thing into the water before I put a chain on that too. And I was able to fish it out with this, but now I put a piece of chain on it so the magnet will be able to grab it. But keep that in my kit anyway. Nice little scraper here, just to scrape off the junk that gets all over the magnet, which now is all over my table. A pair of gloves that came with my magnet that I've actually never worn, but I'd leave them in there. I normally do wear rubber gloves. And last but not least, got some scissors to cut fishing line. And I also do keep just a box cutter also, just if I've got to cut anything. I have snagged fishing hooks and things with fishing line on it, so the scissors come in handy to cut it. And I keep a lantern with me that doesn't fit in my case. I do keep it in case I ever go out at night. And let me clear this stuff out of the way and show you the last little tidbit that I carry everywhere with me when I'm magnet fishing. All right, last thing I carry around here is this 2-ton come along in case I ever get the magnet stuck. That Magnet Boss magnet was $200+, and if I ever get it stuck on something, I'm not going to give it up without some kind of fight. So I do carry around this 2-ton, 6-foot reach come along that. So far I've never needed, but like I said, I always have it with me just in case. So that pretty much rounds out my magnet fishing kit. Now then, of course, I carry some camera gear around because I'm a YouTuber and always want to make videos. If anybody has any interest in the cameras I lug around with me, I guess leave a comment. Maybe I'll make another video. I think that's all I got for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, I'll put them in the comments. And I guess happy magnet fishing, and until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.